Okay, this is a variation of a video I did yesterday. Saw somebody else contributed to the Facebook thread, and so I thought I would just do a quick little video to illustrate it. It's pretty cool, and I wasn't quite aware of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here. I'm going to do a search. I'm going to do lemma and hina. So as you can see, I'm doing a search of the word hina as the lexical form in the entire New Testament. And so let me execute that. And there you can see my results for the entire New Testament. By clicking on this little chart button, it will generate a chart showing the lemma hina in NA28 count per book. And so you can see it is a bar chart, but if you hover over each individual book, it will give the exact count. For example, you could guess that this is 39, but John, that looks like it's somewhere between 140, 150. Is it 145? Yes, it is. But as you hover over each one of these bars, the exact count pops up. I was unaware that it would do that, and I think that's pretty cool.